Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, lot of us when we buy something in real estate, we have the intention that this is something like once in a lifetime. But yeah, many do more than that too. But one very important thing we need to consider that we can always seek opinion of experts, sellers, buyers, or whatever you say. There are so many things to get opinion from. But ultimately, anything happens, we are gonna be on our own. We are gonna be responsible. Now see this that I'm showing you. Somebody has incurred 500,000 loss, half a million loss on a property they purchased back in 22 during peak time in 1.5 million, and now it has been sold in a million. So 3 years down the line, you lost one third of the value. What's the equity you got? Nothing. And if it has been sold in a million, consider legal fee, consider realtor cost and all, and imagine the amount of loss must be more than 500, right? So I'm not discouraging anyone to buy in real estate, but you need to understand what you can afford. Okay, never go beyond what you can afford, because if you do, there is a high risk that you won't be able to tolerate any turbulence. Back in 2022, I understand nobody would have thought the situation would turn bad within high interest rate and uncertainty, but you should not do something way beyond that you can absorb. I mean, if you are making a purchase and if you are going for let's say variable interest rate, you should be careful of some window that you must have, that you can absorb in case things go bad, in case rates go up. If interest rates go down, it's always in your favor, but in case they go up, can you absorb that difference? Do you have what window, what bandwidth you have over there? If you like on very tight budget and you go for it, there could be trouble. Now it's not just about variable, even for fixed cost, fixed rate of interest, those who had purchased now after the end of their term, when they go for renew, most of them will have to pay higher, right? Because interest rates have gone up. So what's going to happen now? Many of them will not be able to afford. So be careful, guys. Be really careful and don't just go by what a professional says. See this example: purchased in 1.5 million, then this year tried to be sold in June, a million, not sold out. Again tried, and this time fortunately sold out. But imagine this trend: had it gone to market few months from now, what would have been the cost? Maybe 950, 970, 980, I don't know. But when the prices go down, you don't build equity, right? Because whatever you gain gets lost. So that's what I want to suggest you guys, like be careful in real estate. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel.